What's up, y'all? So for today's video, do I have a tough task on my hands? I have to turn these beat up LeBron 9s into some heater LeBron 9s. You know, these things have been through it all, hell and back, been through World War II and all. But I got to transform these bad boys from this into some LeBron 9 Elite South Beaches. So let's get it popping. First things first, rest in peace, Uncle Phil, for real. But for real, I got sent over this cleaning product from Stalk, LA. You know, typical shoe cleaner, add some water, a little bit of elbow grease, you know what I mean? Scrub all the dirt off this bad boy. And this is how they came out, you know what I mean? But a lot of the problems with this shoe is more so it's old, you know, 10 years old. I think it's about 10 years old, but a lot of the yellowing on the mesh and everything is just age, you know. These are some really old shoes. He was using these to probably hooping, play basketball, some blood on the front. I don't know what's been going on with him, but we ain't judging. We just trying to customize. So shout out to Deadstock LA for the shoe cleaner. Now I'm just using acetone to remove the factory finish and get these boys prepped up, you know, strip them down as much as possible. You know, I stripped them down so much, I'm about to throw some ones at them real quick. I took some tape, taped up around the air bubble, leaving the air bubble exposed because I'm about to do some paint splatter. You know, typical paint splatter technique. Grab a toothbrush that you don't use and just splatter the paint all around the air bubble as much as you can. Get it looking crazy. Basically went ahead and hit the tongue and guts with some black dye real quick. So, you know, I taped around this synthetic mesh situation, make some pink paint with some GAC 900, because like I said, it's some type of mesh situation here. Hit them with that hot pink, because, you know, this shoe got to be hot. Then I made this light mint color, mix it with some Too Hard to hit both of these plastic Nike checks with. It took a couple coats to get them a nice solid color, but now it's for the creme de la creme, the main part right here, that South Beach color. So I'm applying that South Beach blue teal color all over all the little hyperfuse overlays. I also threw that bad boy on the midsole for good measure as well. And as you can see, beautiful. Next up, I took some light gray paint, mixed it with the GAC again, and applied it to the mesh upper, the parts that weren't hyperfused, you know what I mean? Hit them with that light gray because that is the color on the OG South Beach LeBron 9s. Hit the tongue with some pink details right there, and hit the little back crowns with some pink details, and voila, the shoe is done. Hit them with some, you know, stain repellent, water repellent, because, you know, when you're stepping out with these bad boys, you don't want them to get crusty, dusty. And voila, bada bing, bada boom, there you have it. Some LeBron 9 remix South Beach, from beaters to heaters. As you can see, these shoes were basically on life support when I got them. Brought them back to life a little bit, gave them some new life, and now they're gonna enter the world fresh. You see that fly on the shoe? I really don't like that. It was really bothering me that whole day I was taking these photos. That fly was really annoying. But, you know, got some good shots in, nice shoe, dope kicks, another one in the books, baby. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, you know, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and check me out till next time, man. Hopefully y'all too can turn your beaters into heaters. I'll check y'all out till next time. Peace out. Enjoy your day, night, wherever it is where you're at.